Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 7th chapter, that is weather, climate, conditions and adaptation in animals. Students, in previous classes already you have discussed the different types of adaptations. Especially you have adaptations in that polar regions, that like penguins, polar bears, and also you have discussed about that in desert adaptation in desert, like that is camel. And what students, today we are going to discuss about that one adaptation, that means of animals living in tropical rainforest. Students, tropical rainforest, it is very suitable for that all animal living organisms. Yes, all animals or plants or living organisms, that like microorganisms. So you have seen that it is more number of, that means number of animals you can see that like nearby the our tropical rainforest. That means see that area is very suitable, okay, because the climate conditions according to that rain, water, temperature, everything is suitable for that tropical region or the tropical rainforest. Okay, so that's why what that area is more congested. They are more typically it is very tight to the leaf. That's why all animals are there will be a competition to get that shelter, to get the food. So every animals, they are making on different types of adaptation for getting that shelter or they are getting food. Okay friends, so they will get that shortage of the food, because more number of animals if live in one place, compulsory they will get that what a lack of their food. They will that their place not available that full of them foods, okay, full foods. So their shortage of the foods will be in that place, particular area. So similarly they cannot live in particular because more members are there, so there will be one competition to live also in one area. So different types of animals are or plants or that different organisms they are living. So especially monkey, tiger, elephants, lizard, snakes, insects, in that area we can get such animals. Students, so for that what happening that there will be one competition to that get the food. So what are the adaptation of the food? For getting the food, what are their adaptation? What is the body changing? How they are their generally their futures, their changing of the body, we will see that there for the animals. So first of all, say adaptations. What is that? You should see once again. So students, the climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting a rich variety of plants and animals. Already I have told you there are different types of animals are living. Those who are like special such as what like elephant, tiger, deer and what is that, snakes, lizard. So these are living in one place because the suitable conditions, the climate, that rainforest, that our tropical regions, the tropical rainforests are a very suitable condition for the living organisms. So further what the animals such as monkeys, tiger, elephants, lizards, snakes, birds are insects, they are living in that place. So adaptation for food, what is that? Friends, if there are more members, more animals are, that populations of the animals are more, then what will happen? There will be a competition among them to get the food. So that's why there some animals what they are changing their what adaptation, they are adapting their body parts, body features. So what is that you should see for getting food? One example is that one bird is a toucan bird. What is that friends? Toucan, you can see that in your textbook one picture is there. Toucan bird. That means that birds having that one large beak. That means if it is bag like this, one beak is there, very means that the beak is very long and strong also. Why it is? Because to get that food easily. That means what are the weight of the body, whenever it will, suppose in the branch last tip part of that fruit is there, the bird needs that fruit. How can we get? So by that, what is that? By the beak it can collect. If that long beak is there, so it can collect that fruit. Because if that body, if it will go and it will sit on that it is not possible. The body weight is more. So that's why that adapted. That means the beak is become very long and big. So that's why that is called as what, a toucan bird. One of the adaptation of for getting the food, because they easily can collect or easily can get that food. Okay. Next friends, See that here, it helps the bird to reach the fruit on branches which are too weak to support the weight of the bird. That means it is very weak branch is there. Where is that fruit we will get? That the weak branch. So how can we collect? So for that, that one special one bird is I have told you, like a toucan bird, that is having that one a long beak, and or that is big beak to collect the food. You have seen that friends, like I have told that a camel, or you can see that ostrich, camel that you should see that neck. The neck is very long. Why? Because that in desert, the all plants or trees are there very high and tall plants, because the all leaves getting after it is going to up. So at that time what will happen? The down the grass or won't get anything. So for the big plants or trees, for that camel always will take that head to up and will take the leaves or branch. So that's why that always it is adapted in that deserts, and according to that surroundings and for to get the food. Also camel neck also became big. Do you have seen? Okay. So you have seen that camel or not? Yes. So same like camel neck is very long means large. So for because of they are staying in desert they won't get that food in the down. So big plants or trees for they needs the large height. So that's why that automatically the adapted that water the neck it became but large. Okay. Same like students, how like the food for competition there and a toucan birds change their adaptation and they became that long beak. Same like students, food for also they are very difficult. Their food for also there will be a competition in that area. So that's why on a special shelter purposes also it is also very difficult in the ground. So that's why what will happen that students, red-eyed frog. One is what is that students? Red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog of one that it is such that where that house that it won't be in down, because more members are there, more number of animals are there. So that's why the red frog eyes made that houses where on the tree, on the branch of the tree, or on that cave of that tree. So what will happen? How it will climb that? Because it has also it adapted that water. Now that feet, the feet is sticky feet, stick pad means like a gum like that pad, that how like whenever it will walk, that gum like it will touch and it can walk to that climb the trees. Okay. So see that as living area the quite less the comparison to the large number of the animals. Many animals are adapted to the living to the area. So more members are there, less area more members are there. So that's why they are changing their adaptation to live in that area. So how they will live on the tree also? Most of the animals they are trying to stay in the on the tree. Okay. So example, red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog has developed the stick pads on its feet. These pads help to climb trees on which it lives. So that's why frogs have no need to do that stick pads, because it want to stay in the down, but it needs to stay on the tree because more members are there, number of population of the animals are more are there in that area. So to stay safely, so it decided to stay on the tree. So that's why it want to be climbed. How can it will climb? So for that it developed and it adapted is what the stick pads. That means that pads or the legs of that frog what happen? Stick leg. Which one easy? It helps to that attach with plants and it can climb easily. Okay students. So these are about that adaptation of shelter and adaptation of foods, and we will discuss about that also adaptation of other things. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Already students, I have said that our exercise part, question and answer, fill in the blank, true false, in our school app. You should see that and one by one you should write in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.